Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another Hat Club Pickups video. This time we got a couple collections to go over. Thanks to Canada Post. This is a 1 week delayed, so I'm kind of pissed about that. I don't know if you could tell, but like I said, the two collections are in here today, and I'm just going to get started right away. A collaboration from the past. Yote City, shout out to him. Obviously, a great like guy in the hat community and stuff who got a couple collabs in the past. His first collection, which had a bunch of different underbills with like the volt and the stitching and stuff on regular hats. Then obviously the second collaboration had Ballpark Snacks. It was just one of each flavor, and this time they decided to expand on that with the 4 flavors, but getting tons of different pretty much like teams in there as well. So I can't wait to go over some more inspirations. Hat Club recently this year has been all about these inspirations and stuff, so I ain't complaining. So it's been pretty cool. So, but in terms of the pins in this collection, there was a special pin, but you had to purchase it, so there was no extra with it. So you just get a regular Hat Club pin if you bought online without like buying it separately. So just so y'all know. But with the first hat I picked up was, of course, the Cracker Jack colorway. Had to go for this one, and I was debating whether I'd go for like the Arizona Diamondbacks one or this one, the St. Louis Cardinals. I think this really is just a really cool colorway. I think like just seeing it on some of the models, like pretty much showing it off. Looked really dope, I think, with all different types of fits and stuff. So, but yeah, like as a kid, like growing up, like even just at a ball game and stuff, I do love Cracker Jacks. It's one of my favorite snacks, I think. So I had to go for this. Obviously, the other two that ended up picking up were David Seeds and Big League Chew, which I did have a little bit of familiarity with, but the other one, of course. But yeah, I think it looks exactly like a Cracker Jack. Andre, you think this looks like Cracker Jack? Like
yeah, it does. Honestly.
Yeah. You like some Cracker Jacks or not?
Yeah. I mean, they're pretty good.
Yeah. But pretty much I'll break down the hat for y'all. You guys kind of got this like, I don't know. You think this is a khaki or a brown? What do you think this is more? They listed this as khaki.
Definitely a khaki though.
Okay, you think so?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so it's like a different type of shade though, which I like. Don't have the shade in my collection. That the entire crown and everything. You even got this royal blue button as well. Kind of on the packaging, they kind of really showed that off. And you got this very unique St. Louis Cardinals logo that I do not own. It's pretty much the Cardinals swinging a bat. So that is really cool, honestly. I don't have enough Cardinals hats, and I really like how they detailed in with the red, the blue, and then a white outline and on the bats, which is really cool. And then the New Era logo is in the tonal, regular, nothing different there. And then we got a new patch that I added to the collection. The 1967 World Series patch. It's really cool. It's got like the stadium back then. It's got the Cardinal standing on top of a bat. You got glitter all in here, which is really cool in the text and a lot of it. And then you got like the red Cardinal and then the blue outline of it. Really cool patch, by the way. Just like signifies just simplicity of back then and stuff. And they were really even creative back then, which is funny to say. And then the Batterman, which is this might be the cleanest part of the hat. You got the white outline, royal blue, and then red, and then it's flat, of course. So that one is dope. Really like that one. And then we're back actually to white guts. It's been kind of a while. You got that, and you got a royal blue UV. And then we got Cooperstown Collection, 100% polyester, made in Bangladesh, and you can check it out there. And then y'all, I'll show you the fit. Alright, so the fit, as you can see, I think it's pretty cool. I like it. It's like a special logo. It's not like the normal, like, letters and stuff, so which I like. Kind of show you a side shot if you want to see how it would look on you. There you go. The patch is really cool. Like 2 Cardinals on one, kind of interesting. Then backwards, it looks good as well. This color is very nice. Just reminds me of Cracker Jacks, so... great snack at the ballpark. Obviously, if you like baseball and stuff, or even not like baseball, you just want to get a snack at like the grocery store or anything. It's dope. All right, so the other one I picked up from the collection was the LA Dodgers Gatorade. Okay, so Gatorade, I know it's kind of weird. Like people say, like, why would you put this in the ballpark snacks? But he's like, Yote City kind of said that he went to go get it back then, like with some Cracker Jacks or whatever, like when he go grab a snack. So. And you know what? Those electrolytes, you need them. You know what I mean? It's simple, but it's a necessity. But I know like these ones didn't go as fast, and I think like kind of disrespect. Not gonna lie, like I get it. Like some of the pictures looked a little bad with these, but in hand, this is like I'm really happy I ended up getting it. So, and it looks exactly like a Gatorade bottle. It's literally that orange, and you got like green in there, so it's cool. So anyway, so you got that entire orange upper. It's like it's like a pure orange. Then you got kind of that green button they decided to go with. And then the regular LA Dodgers, but in the green, which is so nice. I think, man, it is so clean. I love it. And then the regular tonal orange New Era logo. Can't go wrong with that either. They did the right one there. Then a patch I've been waiting to get for a long time. Pretty much the Olympic Dodgers patch. You got first home, Los Angeles, 1954 to 61. Got tons of glitter in here. You can barely freaking read it. But you do got the Olympic logo and the Coliseum. Even with the Dodgers script writing as well. You do got some stars in the back as well. Just different colors. Olympic rings are colored out as they should. Really nice patch. I do want like another one of this where you could actually like see the details a little bit more. But I do like how they did on it. It kind of gives it a pop. And then you got another flat Batterman. I love this too, just the way it looks on the Batterman with the Gatorade colors. You got white and then green and then orange, of course. This is just fantastic. So I really like it. And then you got white guts. Again, they decided to go with. This one is also made in Bangladesh. 100% polyester. Cooper's Down collection. And 7 3/4 with that green UV. So as you can see, just really nice. I think the white was the right choice on this. I think black would have toned that shit down too much. So it's really dope. And yeah, and Andre, what do you think, yo? Like, is this Gatorade? Like,
It definitely looks like it for
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, it nails the look.
favorite Gatorade flavor? What is it for you?
Definitely blue raspberry.
Orange for me. Orange, my favorite color though. Well, blue slaps though.
Yeah, blue's just like the classic.
Yeah, it's a classic. I know. It tastes great. But y'all, here's the fit, of course. This one goes really well as well. No sizing issues at all. Super nice. I think, honestly, like, let me know down below if you think this looks better as you see it on somebody, because I do think it looks better. And backwards as well. Super nice. Gatorade. Got to get some Gatorade Jordans or something. That's jokes. Be like Mike, baby. Be like Mike. All right, so the last hat today is something, if you know, it's a little illegal depending on where you live. In Canada, not anymore. In Colorado, totally legal, but it's pretty much marijuana, weed, and everything. And I don't smoke personally, but y'all were probably going crazy for this if you do. And that was a 420 drop. Came out on 420. It literally dropped it at 420 Eastern time, which is so jokes. I love that they did that. And even just the marketing about it, they're just so cool, Hat Club. And they call it the Rolling Papers Pack, which is it's literally every hat was inspired by like a rolling paper company or brand, whatever. So, and this one I think is the most obvious out of all of them, and one of the favorites from the collection. And I had to get this one because I've been waiting for this logo to come out, and Hat Club finally did it. And with this one, this two-tone again, Philadelphia Phillies, and of course it is the Phillies rolling paper. I'll have it up right here. It looks exactly like it. I think they got it spot on. This logo was perfect for it. It's crazy. And it is super nice. I wore this the other night. Well, I wore it the entire night. Super great fit and everything. And yeah, just another two-tone. I've been getting all these, like, I barely had any, like, you know, white stone, you know, crowns and domes and stuff, like, and now I've been, like, really getting them recently. So here's another one. I literally have one on my head too, the In-N-Out from the Burger Pack. Check out that video down below. And yeah, but anyways, let's break down the hat for y'all. You do have this stone upper with that like very deep red button. I think that's more of like a cardinal if I had to say, but either or. Top of the brim is in that same cardinal. And you got this Phillies logo with the baseball kind of soaring off it with the script writing. Goes super nice. You got that kind of like almost Florida State little vibes there with some of that like goldish kind of like very light, and then you got the white and that red as well. Super nice with the glitter and everything with the little stars. I love it. And then you got that tonal, pretty much stone, New Era logo. Very faint, but very simple. And you got a patch I've been wanting for a while, obviously, from the old stadium, not Citizens Bank Park, but Veterans Stadium, where the Jays, killed it in '93. So the Philadelphia Veterans Stadium, 1971 to 2000, and I believe too, you got kind of like gold glitter, and then you got like all this like kind of cardinal in there as well, and some white. So that's a really nice patch. I think that circle, those circle patches like go hard, not gonna lie. And the UV is flat once again. You got pretty much a glittered in gold, and you got that cardinal with some white in there as well. So that is really nice as well. I think they got that right. Then they went with white guts again, but this is that satin underbuild I talked about in the Burger Pack video that they did. So I really like that bump in quality for this. You got Cooper's Down Collection, 100% polyester, but this time made in China. 7/3/4 of course, and this is a green UV. So looks hard as usual. I think green was the right choice. Gray could have went honestly as well. Let's check the fit on this one. All right, so the fit, nice. I did stretch it a little bit just to make it a little better. It wasn't necessary, but I think, and it did make it more comfortable for me in the end. So just be aware for that. There's a possibility for a difference. Obviously, I think every hat is different for everybody. But as you can see from the side and everything, it looks so good. That script logo, those big logos, like for some reason they just go really well. And backwards looks good as well. Just goes really nice. That stone, you can't go wrong with that. And Andre, do you smoke? No.
Nope.
You don't.
Nope.
You don't like ganja. I don't either. But
Not for me.
no hard feelings to anybody who does. Yeah. But this is a dope hat, and I hope you picked up something. You know, if you like fitteds and you like weed, so this is the drop for you. So
it's a true combo.
Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, that's a wrap for the video here today. Some crazy nice hats I picked up. Definitely ones that are going to be in the rotation this summer. Let me know if you ended up picking anything up from that Yote City collab with the Ballpark Snacks or the Rolling Papers pack. I know that came out at 4:20 in the afternoon. That could be rush hour if you're here on the East Coast where you're coming back potentially from work or you're about to finish your shift. Kind of shitty time. It was literally during my fucking last exam. I literally went in late to my exam to buy this hat. So I did good on the exam though, so it's all good, right? So, but super happy to have them and stuff. And just let me know what your favorite was out of the collections and which was the best pickup I had. And would you have bought any of them? And did you actually? So I'd love to know, guys. And there will be up also another Hat Club pickups video this week later with the campus fashion. So like I said, it was just like it's jumbled up these weeks sometimes. So you're getting two. So just stay tuned for that if you're interested. And in that, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell down below as well. You will get notified for that video and future videos. If you like sneakers as well, if you like reactions, you like other videos, I got it here on the channel. So if you're interested, you know, just keep on the lookout for that by doing so. But anyways, guys, thank you all for tuning in to my pretty much pickups from Hat Club, which included the collections, the Ballpark Snacks collab with Yote City, and the Rolling Papers pack. Catch you in the next one. Peace.